Heyo, I'm back. I promised myself I was not going to make any Christmas soaps. I think that promise lasted all of about a week. Although, I mean, technically this isn't like actual Christmas soap. It doesn't have tinsel on it. That's my reasoning, and that's all there is. I'm going to attempt to do something. I don't know. I have this picture in my head of how I want the top of the soap to look. So whether or not I can do that is a completely different matter. But anyway, so this is a full water, as in full 38% water. There's no, I'm not using any milk. I'm not using any water discount, only because I don't want this to accelerate if I can help it. I have got my fragrance is already in here, which is a blend of peppermint and spearmint, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to bring down the whole of civilization because I used a mix of essential oil and fragrance oil. So, you know, I'm breaking the laws of physics or nature or something, I'm sure. And I don't care. Yes, so yeah, a peppermint EO because I only had a little bit left, and spearmint fragrance oil, which I love. From NCS, as always, which I'm going to have to learn not to say soon, aren't I? So yeah, so that's already in here. I've got silver and blue mixed up. I have Silver Lake and Cerulean Frost from my Mica Obsession. The Silver Lake, which is it's such a beautiful silver. I have got some Blizzard glitter in it. It's just this stuff that just is mental. And so I'm going to try and just do some sort of layery kind of stuff. And then on the top, I'm going to try and make it look like snowdrifts and little footprints in it. I have this picture in my head. So, and I've even done something really despicable, and I've cut off C-3PO's legs. There's his poor legs. I cut his legs off because I want his footprints. So yeah, alright, so let's get stuck in, eh? Oh, this is if I had a stuffed nose, I probably wouldn't have it for very long because that's very minty. Very, very fresh. This has condensation on the outside of it. I don't know if you can see that. It's not lye. I had it in the fridge because I mixed it up earlier because it was only a half and half solution. And I thought, well, I'll mix it up, and because when you do that, when you add the liquid to your already mixed lye, it will heat up again. So I chucked it in the fridge because I didn't want to use hot lye. So, alrighty, that has Tussar, Snow, either Tussar silk or bamboo silk in it. I do not remember which one it has in it, but it has some form of silk in it. That is for sure. That's so clear compared to what I normally use. I'm not used to using this full water. I don't even remember the last time I did like actually proper full water before. I mean, I've done non-goat's milk soaps recently, but nothing that was like, they were always 30%. When this is 38, so. I have a tablespoon of kaolin clay in this. Just because I like kaolin clay, I like how it feels in the soap, and I like that it seems to help retain scent. So alrighty, that will do that. Okie dokie. I can probably get rid of I'll leave the spoons in there for now. I'm just trying to decide how much I actually need. Let's see how that goes. Because I need more white than I do of the colours for what I want to do, because I want to put white on top. So, oh, look at me, no gloves. I forgot to put them on, and I'm not going to bother now. So, alrighty. I will give these a whiz with the stick blender, because otherwise it will not mix in properly. You'll think it does, and then you'll end up with spotty soap, and you'll go, oh, why did that happen? It's because you didn't stick blend it. Idiot. Me, not you. I'm the idiot. Just wondering if that's, I'm not overly fond of that blue. I might actually put more in it. I did think that might happen though. I didn't put a lot of blue in there because I didn't put a lot of grey in. I thought, well, I don't want to put too much blue because I don't want the blue to be like really bright. But then the grey, I don't want it to look grey. I want it to look silver. So, but I think that'll whip up nice. I'll leave that for now. Go over there. Oh yeah, there's some glitter in there. Wow, holy cow. Oh, alright, so we need to put some titanium dioxide in here because I want my white to be white because it's supposed to look like snow. So, oh. For a second there, so I just noticed my camera was having a bit of a skitsy. I don't know if it actually was or whether it was just the laptop having a fit for a moment. Who knows? Alrighty, there's the white done. And there really isn't a palest soap here. It'll do. It's not the colour I was hoping. Oh, but I don't want to mess around with it too much. Oh my god, I'm making a mess everywhere. Well, that's a surprise. Me make a mess? No. So what's been happening in your world, people? Are you getting ready for Christmas? I'm beginning to freak out a smidge. I've just put up all my candle labels on my website, on my Facebook, so I I'm notorious for not being able to make up my mind about design things, so I have 36 different labels. You know, 36 different labels, sure, but yeah, I mean, they're custom. You know, I'm not going to be printing them out and putting them on candles until someone actually wants them. So you know, I mean, I could have 400 and it wouldn't make a difference money-wise because all I've done is just got them ready to print. So, it's, yeah, all it's cost me is time, of which I seem to have some sometimes. Sorry about that in your ear roll. If you're listening to that in stereo, it would be in your right ear, I imagine. Yeah, I know. Useless facts. I have my dodgy apron on today because the other two are in the wash. I only call this dodgy one because I feel like I should be like jousting or something in it, because it's got like a front and it's got a back and ties that don't tie up. Oh, okay, ties that do tie up. Oh, it's this side that doesn't have one. Yeah, no, I painted that myself. Back in the days when I used to do whatever it's called. What's it called? Folk art. I miss painting. I haven't painted for ages. Alrighty, so let's see if I can actually do this. I don't have a clear idea of what I want to do on the inside. I just sort of wanted to just maybe sort of just pour in the middle like this. Well, I think the soap would need to be thicker to do what I'm thinking of in my head. Although these are thicker. And then I was just gonna just pour. Yeah, this is not gonna look anything like what I thought it was gonna, but it doesn't really matter. So I'll just do this. Whatever. That works. Because it's not really the design inside the soap that matters. It's the design on top. which is kind of the important part. So I have no idea how this is going to look. So I've never done a soap like this before, so it's all fun. Alright, so what I want to do is make sure that this whole top is covered with this white, and I need to keep some for the snow drifts. It doesn't snow here. I've never had a white Christmas ever. Can't even imagine how amazing that would be. Now I'm not going to do any swirling or anything in that. I'm just going to leave that like that. I don't know if this is thick enough. I'm not going to... I was going to say I'm not going to... No, my hands are not steady enough. I was going to try and flatten this, but I think I'm just going to make it worse. Yeah, I'm just going to make it worse. I have really shaky hands, always have. I think about 7 years ago or so I thought I had Parkinson's disease. I mean, I know it's not a joke to have Parkinson's disease, but it, you know, it was kind of amusing that I thought I had Parkinson's disease, because that's just stupid. Well, I suppose, really not, is it? No, I just have really shaky hands, I always have. My whole life. Alright, I'll get you out of the way. Just see if I can do what I'm thinking, which is, so I want to leave like a path down the middle that I can put the footprints in. Can you see what I'm doing? I'll come back this way a little bit, if that makes any sense. And these are supposed to be snow drifts on the side. Alrighty, so that's right foot, that's left foot. So, nah, that's not going to work at all. What I might have to do is I might have to wait until this is set more, maybe, and then I can put an impression in it rather than have it lift up like that. Hey guys, back again. It's been ages, an hour I suppose. I kind of got distracted. I was watching there's a new series on called Travellers. I don't know if you guys have seen it. It's pretty good. I like it. So I don't know if you can see, but I've actually done a couple of footprints. They don't look perfect, but I think they'll all be alright. So I'm just going to keep going and see if I can't get them to look good. I don't know how far apart to put them or... You see this silly cat? Oh, look at it. That's how he sleeps all the time. And because I just want to rub the belly. I love your belly. Did you love your belly? Yes. You just accept me to say you're an insane woman. I don't know if you can see the footprints. See the footprints? So there you go. That's my Christmas soap. So I told you it wasn't really Christmassy. It was only kind of Christmassy. Although, I mean, I do plan on doing... Whoa! Royalty Soaps. Katie at Royalty Soaps did this beautiful, it was a while ago now, it's called Cirque something or other, and she does these big piping on it, and then she does all these drips of mica on it, and it's just, it was beautiful. She did all these rainbow colours, but I thought I might see if I can't try that and do it in Christmas colours. So probably, what, red, green and gold. Yeah, red, green and gold sounds good. So yeah, that might be, I might actually do that now. Well, not right now. You come back in 3 seconds and I'll be cutting this. But yeah, I think I might just do another soap because I need another soap. Alright guys, I'll see you for the cutting. Bye! Heyo, I'm back. I was gonna have a nap. It's like 8:30 in the morning. I haven't been asleep yet. I was going to have a nap before my son came, and I realised I have to cut these 2 bloody soaps. Because I can't do it when because he's a lunatic. I seriously, if I videoed anything while he was here, he'd just... So yeah. So, we get to see these now, before the lunatic turns up. Oh! Righto. That's not what I was expecting, but righto, that's pretty cool. Yeah, I like it. Now, which way does that go? That way. Okay. Yep, I like that. Oh, and there's little footprints on each of the soaps. Oh, that had a bit of a chunk in it. I'm going to assume that was some tussar silk. Looks alright, but eh? I mean, it's not as effective on the top. That one's got a good footprint on it. But, still, it's a pretty cool soap. So I did something right. Or sort of, I guess. It's different. There's Blizzard in the grey, but you can't really see it. So, but I'm pretty happy with that. It smells very minty. Very, very minty. It's a very minty soap. Okay. And what don't I have? Paper towel. Ah, dear. So what was that? Tussar silk. Yeah, it's a big, great big chunk of tussar silk. Bloody stuff. It's so annoying. And then it gets caught on these, and it's so hard to get it off. And that's what. Yeah, that's why I strain it out. most of the time. Did I forget to strain it out this time? Probably. Who knows? Oh no, yeah, no, I used full water, so I didn't strain it. Alrighty. 2 end pieces. Oh, they come up alright. Looks really good with the footprints. They're a bit cute. Oh, there you go. Oh, it's just chunks of silk sticking out. There you go. Alright. Bye.